1. Introduction. The Nikon Z90 is poised to make a significant impact in the APS-C mirrorless camera market. As Nikon continues to innovate, the Z90 emerges as a potential game-changer for photographers and videographers alike. This article delves into the anticipated features, performance, and value proposition of the Nikon Z90, providing a thorough review for enthusiasts and professionals. 2. Design and build quality. The Nikon Z90 is expected to feature a robust and ergonomic design, catering to the needs of both field photographers and studio professionals. With a weather-sealed body, it promises durability in various shooting conditions. The camera's layout is anticipated to offer intuitive controls, ensuring a seamless user experience. 3. Sensor and image quality. At the heart of the Z90 lies a rumored 33MP APS-C sensor, aiming to deliver exceptional image clarity and detail. This sensor is designed to perform well in low-light conditions, offering a broad dynamic range and accurate color reproduction. Photographers can expect high-resolution images suitable for large prints and detailed cropping. 4. Autofocus system. The Z90 is anticipated to incorporate an advanced autofocus system, potentially featuring AI-driven subject tracking. This technology aims to enhance focus accuracy on moving subjects, making it ideal for sports and wildlife photography. With numerous focus points, users can expect swift and precise focusing capabilities. 5. Continuous shooting and buffer capacity. For action photographers, the Z90 is rumored to offer impressive continuous shooting speeds, potentially up to 20 frames per second. Coupled with a substantial buffer capacity, this allows for extended shooting sequences without interruption, ensuring critical moments are captured with precision. Lens logic. 6. Video capabilities. Videographers will find the Z90's video features compelling. The camera is expected to support 4K recording at 60 frames per second, providing smooth and detailed footage. Additional features may include 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth and external recording options via HDMI, catering to professional video production needs. Lens logic. 7. In-body image stabilization IBIS. The inclusion of a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system is anticipated, offering significant advantages for handheld shooting. This feature aims to reduce camera shake, resulting in sharper images and smoother video, particularly beneficial in low-light scenarios or when using telephoto lenses. 8. Viewfinder and LCD screen. The Z90 is expected to feature a high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder, providing a clear and responsive preview of the scene. Additionally, a fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen LCD is anticipated, offering flexibility for various shooting angles and facilitating vlogging or self-recording. 9. Storage and battery life. Dual card slots are likely, supporting both CF Express Type B and UHS-2 SD cards, ensuring fast data writing speeds and redundancy. Battery performance is projected to support extended shooting sessions, with USB-C power delivery enabling simultaneous charging and operation, a valuable feature for on-the-go photographers. 10. Connectivity options. Modern connectivity features are expected, including Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, facilitating swift image transfers and remote camera control. These capabilities enhance the workflow for photographers who require immediate sharing or remote operation, aligning with contemporary content creation demands. 11. Lens compatibility and ecosystem. The Z90 will utilize Nikon's Z-mount, granting access to a growing selection of high-quality lenses. Compatibility with existing DX format lenses ensures versatility, while the expanding Z-mount ecosystem provides options for various photographic styles and requirements. 12. User experience and interface. User interface design is anticipated to be intuitive, with customizable controls and a user-friendly menu system. This approach aims to accommodate both seasoned photographers and newcomers, ensuring a smooth transition and efficient operation across different shooting scenarios. 13. Price and value proposition. The Nikon Z90 is expected to be competitively priced, potentially ranging between $1,500 and $2,000 for the body only. Considering the advanced features and performance capabilities, this pricing positions the Z90 as a valuable investment for photographers seeking professional-grade equipment without the full-frame price tag. 14. Pros and cons. Pros. High-resolution sensor delivering detailed images. Advanced autofocus systems suitable for dynamic subjects. Robust video features catering to content creators. Effective in-body stabilization enhancing handheld shooting. Lens logic. Cons. Potentially higher price point compared to entry-level models. Awaiting official confirmation on certain features and specifications. 15. Conclusion. The Nikon Z90 stands as a promising addition to Nikon's mirrorless lineup, aiming to bridge the gap between enthusiast and professional-level equipment. With its anticipated features and performance, it is poised to become a favored choice for photographers and videographers seeking a versatile and capable APS-C camera.